Hi, my name is Scott Strohs, and this is MySQL Shorts. The first thing we need to do is start MySQL shell. We do this with the MySQL sh command. In this demo, I'm connecting to a local MySQL instance and connecting with a user named Scott. We are also connecting directly to the schema named MySQL_shorts. To access the document store API, we need to run MySQL shell in JavaScript mode. Fortunately, this is the default mode when MySQL shell is started. Now that MySQL shell is started in JavaScript mode, and we are connected to our database, let's view the list of document store collections on our server. Before we do that, note the message that states the default schema, MySQL_shorts, is accessible through a variable named db. This means any commands we run that start with db dot will be executed against our default schema. To get the list of document store collections in our schema, we run the command db.getCollections. As you can see, we only have a single collection named restaurant. This is the collection we'll be using in this demo. In our first example, we are running a command to find all the documents where the cuisine property equals bakery. You can see in the results that each document has the following properties: _ID, which is the ID of the document; name, which is a string; grades, which is an array of objects; address, which is an object with its own properties; borough, which is a string; and cuisine, which is a string. If we want to limit what properties are returned, we use the fields method. We pass an array of strings to the fields method. These strings are the names of the properties we want to return. In this example, we are returning the name, borough, and address properties. We can see in the results that just these three properties are returned, including the full address object. There may be times when we don't want to return all of the values from a property that is an object. To return a specific property of an object, we would use a dot-delimited path to that property. For example, if we want to return just the zip code value from the address object, we would use address.zipcode. Note that we are also using an alias for this property. In the results, we see that the zip code property that is returned contains just the value from the address.zipcode property. We are not limited to using just properties of our JSON document in the fields method. We can also use the results from a function call. If we wanted to include the address as a single property, we could use the concat_ws function and pass in the values we want to be concatenated. Notice that we use properties of the address object, as well as the borough property, and even a hard-coded string. We can see in the results that the address property that is returned now includes the results of our call to concat_ws. Thanks for watching. Please be sure to hit like and subscribe. Also, there'll be a link in the description for any code or files we used during this video.